Hey everyone, this is Steve Murray, the market chartist on behalf of forexfraud.com, and we're now going to take a look at the Aussie dollar versus the US dollar, and also its cousin, the New Zealand dollar versus the US dollar, and a slightly different technical setup setting up in here over the last couple of weeks here, particularly for the New Zealand dollar, a shift in its outlook since the RBNZ meeting earlier in February. Take a look at the Aussie dollar first of all, though. Really the theme here very much the same. This strong rally from January, which rejected the November-December sell-off in here with the push through 75.25. That shifted the kind of longer term, the intermediate term outlook for the balance of February and into March to more neutral, but certainly with a positive tone. And the extension high that we've seen so far in February, despite a setback at the end of last week, this extension high really does leave risk for a far more bullish theme, and that's going to need to push up through 77.78. So that's the real threat for us still going into late February, early March, a push through 77.78 and a far more bullish setup. And it's doing all this despite the US dollar correcting and becoming slightly more stronger versus many major currencies in here. The Australian dollar still remaining solid. If we look at that in contrast to the New Zealand dollar in here, yes, we did get that strong January rally through 72.39 in this instance, which neutralized the November-December sell-off, and again shifting to a range theme, 74.03, 68.67. However, the sell-off that we saw after the RBNZ meeting earlier in February in here, neutralizing the intermediate term risk of a push up to 74.03, which would see a more bullish tone, and if anything, the tone slightly more negative. A week close to the week last week, and into late February now, early March, we actually see the tone for a push down to the lower half of this now broader range at 74.03, 68.67. This has been Steve Murray, the market chartist on behalf of forexfraud.com, and I wish you a great trading week.